In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and modify permissions for published content in the Project Settings Management console. First, find the project settings that you want to share. You can filter the content to help you find what you're looking for. To change the permissions, click the sharing icon, then click Add New. You can create permissions using a Tekla Group ID, Account ID, or User ID. The User ID field accepts the user's email address or Trimble ID. Let's create a user permission using an email address. To enable the permission for the user, select Use. To define which versions of the content the user has access to, enter the versions in the version inclusion rules and version exclusion rules. Version ranges follow NuGet package versioning conventions. You can read more about the versioning conventions at Microsoft Learn. In this example, the user will have access to all versions between 1 and 2 inclusive. To finish creating the permission, click Add. The new permission is visible in the Permissions table. Next, let's add a permission that prevents a user from accessing certain versions. Enter the user's email address. To add a permission that prevents access, select None as the permission level. In the version inclusion rules, define the version range that the user is not allowed to access. Because this content belongs to the company account where the user is an employee, the user can access all versions except this version range. In the Permissions table, buttons are available to edit or delete individual permissions. You can also delete all permissions. After you click Delete All Permissions, confirmation is required to complete the deletion. Now you know how to create permissions that allow or prevent access to content, and delete permissions for content in the Project Settings Management console.